As a Somm, I'm really proud of Appellation St. Helena, partly because I live here, but partly because every time I do a tasting of Napa Valley AVAs, I'm reminded of what it is that makes Appellation St. Helena so special. And it's the power of Napa Valley, but also this elegance. I can't quite put my finger on it, but elegance and power together, perfect.
We've lived in St. Helena for 20 years. We made our home here, and we raised our kids here.
And we grow our grapes and make our wines here.
Napa Valley is the most famous wine region in the United States. And St. Helena has the distinction of pioneering the highest quality grape growing and winemaking in the valley.
When you think about our history, it was over 150 years ago in 1861 that Charles Krug founded this winery just north of the town of St. Helena.
As more and more people moved to the Napa Valley, our vineyards here flourished as well.
The area was soon regarded to be one of the finest vineyard locations anywhere in the world. By 1880, nearly 100 people were making wine in St. Helena.
In 1875, a group of prominent wine industry leaders came together to formulate what was then called the St. Helena Viticultural Society.
Charles Krug used the club to put forth a novel idea: to plant new St. Helena vineyards with high-quality foreign varietals and not our local mission grapes.
We've got some age on these vines.
The official appellation was approved in 1995.
In 2005, after a 128-year hiatus, a group of growers and vintners in St. Helena came together and formed Appellation St. Helena, otherwise known as ASH, to represent all of us who are growing grapes and making wine in our appellation.
Our grapes are old enough to grow better.
Our St. Helena grapes are comfortable in their own skin.
St. Helena, not just another pretty place.
I think the region allows us to ripen our fruit to optimal physiological maturity and give us a style of wine that is unique to the St. Helena appellation.
St. Helena is a very special place. Instead of having to stand at the edge of a cliff and look out over the expanse, we can stand in the middle of our vineyards and look up at the majestic mountains. The Mykonos mountain range to the west and the Vaca range to the east, they nearly meet. Makes a very beautiful safe harbor for vines.
As a winemaker, we love St. Helena appellation for the diversity of the soils and exposure who give us a huge palette for winemaking.
I specialize in Cabernet Sauvignon, and it takes a lot of heat to get Cabernet ripe. St. Helena is one of the warmest places in the Napa Valley because it's narrow and holds the heat in during the day.
They've always been these beautiful, well-drained soils, cobbly, loamy. The vines get their roots down really deep. And nobody built those soils. They were found, they were discovered, and they said, hey, I'm here. You need to grow Cabernet Sauvignon right here in me.
But the soils actually soak up into the berry and lend themselves for great minerality and acidity.
The microclimate is amazing, but the soil, the land, you can't change that. It's stunning. It's Cabernet gold.
We grow a lot of other varieties though. Cabernet Franc, Merlot, Petit Verdot, Malbec, Sauvignon Blanc, Chardonnay.
I had my aha moment with wine over a St. Helena's Zinfandel. It was for my 21st birthday, and my dad opened a bottle of one of our Zinfandels from a St. Helena vineyard. The main thing that I picked up on was the silkiness of the wine and the softness of the tannins, and it was like a light bulb went off in my head.
St. Helena wines represent the best of what can be done in Napa Valley.
St. Helena wines, beautiful.
St. Helena wines, balanced and elegant.
Powerful and plush.
St. Helena wines, absolutely unique.
St. Helena wines, you gotta try them.
St. Helena wines, we love the diversity.
And you will love it too.